How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits with our guide now. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all you have to do is open web browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the homepage, as you can see. If you have various information, I will show you more and more. But before, what is Outlier? Outlier is a data analysis platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within business data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive business growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So the first thing here we have how you can log in. So you click over log in and then you write your email address, your password. Then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up and write your personal information and you get started with Outlier. So that's it, how it works. Then we have here also other things. Shape the next generation of EA with your expertise. We have here 40,000 experts, 1 million, 1,000 million, 100 million paid out. We have 3.4 million assignments and get paid training cutting edge EA on your own schedule. Then if you come back to here, we have view opportunities. So what we'll do in Outlier, so we click over it and that's it. Jobs, we have here 104 jobs. As you can see, we have here various jobs. So as you can see, so to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful AI-driven insights to identify opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations and by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockout. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to return customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decisions making, ensuring that business strategies are informed by accurate real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So let's come back to the homepage. We have here our first information. It's important to know it. The first thing we have is share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. We have the first thing, share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make AI more human. Then you have connect with fellow experts. Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then we have your joint community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. For the first one, it's generalist. Then we have math, chemistry, and we have other domains like law, and we have also history, coding, data science, and we have other expert domains. Then if we scroll down, you have also Pelman Grid. EA is a craft. EA training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. We have the first one, it's rating and ranking. Rating and ranking assignments as contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then we have open rewrite. With an open rewrite assignment, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand open. This prompt can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentence questions or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have the last one is multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on visual content. And then we have here help and develop safe and beneficial AI across all disciplines. As you can see, we have here some comments of Nicholas here. We have Chelsea. We have also Capuel here and other comments that are succeed and with Outlier. So we have also here some fix. You can just read to more detail about Outlier. So we have the definition here, so you can just read it. We have how you can get it started and like what does the onboarding process do you like, will I get paid for onboarding process, how long does the onboarding take, what is the purpose of Outlier's onboarding. Then you have qualification, and then you have can I bring some friends too, what is your selection process, how are resumes evaluated. Then you have some of our payments, we have how much will I be paid, how will I be paid, artist opportunities to earn money. Then you have hours here, how much time should I expect to work, then can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity? And the last one, how long will this opportunity last? So that's how it works with Outlier, as you can see. So making money on Outlier.ea involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedule. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks, your qualification, and your performance. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.